Look at this digital package. We have a complete 30-day content calendar, a fully fleshed out script, a highly readable thumbnail, and broadcast quality B-roll, all generated in minutes. Today, we are moving beyond exploring isolated AI apps. We're going to connect them together to build a fully automated, start-to-finish production engine. Before we begin, you need to set up your workspace. Open up 5 browser tabs for our core web platforms and install a desktop dictation app called WhisperFlow. By the end of this workflow, you will possess a completed digital asset. You can use it to immediately launch your own YouTube channel or package it up as a content-in-a-box service to sell directly to clients. Step 1 is figuring out exactly what we need to make. We start by identifying content gaps, analyzing existing long-form videos from competitors in our exact niche. Once you find a relevant video, even if it is 2 hours long, copy the link and paste the URL directly into NotebookLM. The tool instantly generates a clean, bulleted executive summary, so you can review all their covered topics without having to watch the actual footage. Now that we have a baseline, we need to gather updated data for our own script. For this, we run a targeted search query through Perplexity AI. This interface shows the results of our query. Notice these numerical links embedded right next to the text. Perplexity provides direct, clickable source citations for every single claim it generates. Combining a thorough competitor summary with heavily cited web research ensures your foundational material is highly relevant to your market and fact-checked. Next, we organize that raw research into a strict visual timeline. Go to Miro AI and create a new team board. In the prompt box, instruct the AI to build a comprehensive YouTube content calendar using the research topics we just gathered. This animated table shows how Miro organizes our prompt. It structures the data into a clean grid containing specific video titles, format types, exact target demographics, and ideal timestamps for each upload. This AI-generated plan gives you the structural framework for your calendar. While you will still refine the creative details, you now have a foundational roadmap to organize an entire month of production beats. With the calendar set, we move to scripting. Typing everything out by hand is the biggest bottleneck in content creation. To bypass that, press and hold your designated keyboard shortcut to activate WhisperFlow, the desktop dictation app we installed earlier. Speak your specific instructions aloud. WhisperFlow transcribes your voice in real time directly into Claude's prompt box, capturing your exact pacing and commands without a single keystroke. Claude processes that master prompt and returns a complete draft. It provides a strong open hook, an introduction, a step-by-step narrative roadmap, and highly searchable title options. Do not blindly copy and paste this output. You must read through it and inject your own human tone and personal experiences so it actually sounds authentic. Voice dictation allows you to skip the blind pate entirely, delivering a structured, high-retention draft in a fraction of the time it takes to type. The final phase is packaging that script with the visual hooks required to drive clicks and maintain viewer retention. Open ChatGPT and write a prompt asking for a high-quality thumbnail image. Instruct it specifically to include readable text within the image itself. This image shows the output. The current GPT model can accurately render specific words inside images, delivering perfectly spelled, highly readable 3D text right out of the gate. For the video itself, we need cinematic B-roll. Open up Google Flow and click to initialize a new visual project. Before typing a prompt, you must switch your output ratio to 16:9. This ensures your final video is perfectly sized for standard YouTube formatting. Now, type a straightforward text prompt instructing the AI to create a cinematic shot of a person working on a laptop. The tool delivers this high-fidelity clip. Notice how it also generates synchronized audio elements, like the sound of the keyboard clacking, to match the visual action. Combining accurate text rendering with high-fidelity AI video allows you to execute a complete visual strategy without buying expensive camera gear or hiring a design team. Let's review the final package. We produced a factual executive summary, a structured content calendar, a dictated script, an accurate thumbnail, and cinematic B-roll. You can deploy these assets right now to launch and scale your own faceless YouTube channel, building an audience from your computer. This flowchart details your second option. You can take this exact bundle of digital assets, package it as a freelance service, and sell it directly to local businesses for a high profit margin. This workflow shows that value comes from the specific sequence of actions, using these tools to turn a raw link into a functional